Hello guys, here we have two parcels. Anyway, I want to show you guys where do I get these parcels, where I get my tools. Anyway, I use Aliexpress. Okay, I hope you can see. What are these? These are the sponge. Okay, and then here I have this. Let's see, what is this? But I believe this is a chip. Let's have a look. This should be chips, guys. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, guys, these are the sponge, and then here I have a chip. This is a bunch of chips. Anyway, let's see. Okay, not sure if you can see it clearly, but yeah, this is it. Anyway, I bought more. I'll keep on doing videos and review regarding this. You know where to get this, right? You go to Aliexpress, and then you can search for anything. These are the sponge. I use them to clean my soldering iron chip. You can see. Imagine here in South Africa they're selling a single one of these by 20 rand, whereas there on AliExpress I paid, I think, 15 rand for the whole set. Imagine. Yet here they give you this by 20 rand each. Hey, I'm telling you, man, they're making a serious profit. But anyway, this is it, guys. I'll see you next time.